wanted to show you guys how I achieve this ponytail. Gotten so many questions and comments about it, so I figured it would be best just to make a video about it. So the ponytail I've been wearing is from insert name here. It's the Lola pony with the swoop. This one's well loved. As you can tell, I should probably get another one, but I love this ponytail. I wear it all the time and I get a lot of questions about it. This is in the shade Ash Blonde, but I did spray a little bit with my Root touch-up spray, so you guys will see that a little bit later. It's a 17-inch ponytail with a swoop, and then as you can see here, it comes with the clip, like a clip here, so you can insert it into the base of your ponytail. This little mesh here just makes it so your bun or whatever isn't kind of sticking out, and also I guess it just holds the hair of the actual ponytail. And then you get this Velcro strap so you can secure your ponytail and then some extra hair to wrap around. I'm pretty sure I've done a video like this, but it probably wasn't this Lola pony. It might have been a different one. Either way, this is the way that I've been wearing it recently, so it's still relevant. Basically, my hair is blown out, it's stretched out, and I mean, the more stretched the better, since this hair is kind of really silky, you know? So you, if you don't want to spray it down with some dry shampoo to get rid of the texture, then you're going to want your hair texture to match and be as blown out as possible. When my hair was blown out, it was more sleek, but with some gel and stuff, it's starting to kind of revert back. Doesn't matter. It's still going to look good. So we have stretched out hair. If your hair is freshly washed, skip this part, but because I have still a little bit of product in from yesterday, I'm just going to rehydrate it. So you can take a water bottle. This is the As I Am Jamaican black castor oil water. I love it. But I don't want to spray too much because I don't want to revert my hair too much. I just kind of want to reactivate it a little. So be very careful with that. So I'm just going to take a boar bristle brush and just start to brush my hair back. And then what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of gel. You can take any gel that's your favorite. I just wanna finish this, so that's why I'm using this. It's the Eco Styler, the olive oil and shea butter. I don't like this one just because the hold is pretty weak, but it's fine for this ponytail, pretty much. It'll be just fine. So just gonna add a little bit of that gel, and you have to be careful just because this is a water-based gel, so your hair will start to revert back. If you want to completely avoid that, don't use the water-based gel, but I like it just because my hair responds well to it, and it does help me to really get more sleek ponytails. But like I said, if you know that it's just going to revert completely, then skip the water-based gel, and I'll show you what to use. So on top of this, I'm taking the African Pride Black Castor Miracle Braid Lock Twist Gel. I've mentioned this gel so many times. It's my favorite, but it just works so well. So I'll take a little bit of that and use that to sleek my hair back. If you don't want baby hairs, then you can pretty much just do what I'm doing, sleek it back, and then just kind of brush it all forward, because I never skip baby hairs. I'm just gonna start to kind of push them forward because this gel will lock them into place, so gotta think ahead. This is just the pattern edge brush with a random hair. Okay, so now that I have my baby hairs out of the way, then I can really lock the rest in, just taking another section. I don't like to just, you can kind of just go at it, but I feel like you get shiny spots and like spots where it's not as evenly covered, so that's why I kind of spread it in my hands and then apply, because then you get a more even coverage that way. And then in the back too, don't forget the back, just because you want it to look as sleek, you know, as sleek as possible. So once I have that into place, I'm just going to take a little bit of this Bedhead Hard Head. It's extra strong hold hairspray. I like it because it does hold extra strong. And I'm just gonna use that, spray that in. I'm not sure how water-based this one is, so if, again, you're worried about your products being water-based, the Way Medium Hairspray is absolutely elite. It's not water-based. Your hair will not revert, and it will stay looking bomb for as long as you want it to. So try that if you are worried about your hair reverting in any way. Okay, so once I have that, just going to get a hair tie and tie this pretty tightly. I normally lack and I don't tie things that tight, but for this ponytail, I feel like it needs it. To be real nice and sleek. And then again, more of the gel. And just really pushing that back. Now, I absolutely love wrap strips. These I get from Amazon or the beauty supply store. But if you don't have wrap strips, you don't want to order them, you don't want to go through that hassle right now, you should get some wrap strips. But if you don't have them, you can always use a satiny scarf. So I'm just gonna fold my scarf so it's more kind of rectangle than square. And then use that just to lay this down. You want to get this started while you work on everything else, pretty much. So when it comes to the length of my hair, I don't want to create height. So my bun, I don't want my bun to be high. I want my bun to sit low, like this. And it makes it a lot more, I guess, I don't want my ponytail to go up and then down. I don't want that height. I just want it to kind of move. So we're gonna go ahead and lock this into place. And I'm just gonna take a scrunchie and just wrap that around the base. So really simple like that. And while I'm waiting for this to dry, I can just start working on my baby hair. This is completely up to you. Like I said, if you wear baby hair, if you don't, whatever you want to do, whatever your style is. So I'll just work on that. So once I know my hair's dry, about 10-15 minutes, then we can take off the scarf. And let's put on the ponytail. I like to brush mine out. I'm not gonna lie, it definitely needs to be washed. So we're gonna wash it, but I also wanted you guys to see what it looks like, just the way that I've worn it in the photos, which has been a little bit more bouncy and kind of full just from being worn. So yeah, let's just be real. I'm gonna show you how I make the ponytail match my hair color. So as you can see, this is definitely not my shade, but I make it blend in by using, this is a root touch-up spray, Age Beautiful Root Touch-Up in darkest brown. And what I do is before I put the ponytail on, I like to just spray in the darkest areas and then kind of blend it downward. And then if I feel like I need to spray a little bit more while the ponytail's on, then I can do that. I went on the site and saw that they've now started adding ponytails with darker roots. So honestly, I really just need to buy a new one. But I'm gonna go ahead and just take the little comb attachment and I put that in through the elastic, not through the base of my hair, but through the elastic, just like that. And then we can basically, I just tuck one end in, and then this part here, which has the Velcro and the extra hair, I just wrap it around. Like, it's so easy. just like that. And I like to do it as tight as I possibly can. Just like that, so that the base is as small. Like I like a nice small base. I don't know if that makes sense, but we can go ahead and just start smoothing out our wrapping hair. And actually, before we start wrapping the wrapping hair, I like to have bobby pins ready. These are from Pattern, and they're like matte black, bended, curved. These, you one of these and nothing is moving, ever. It has like this grip on it, so it's not going anywhere. I just need one of them. So I have that on my lap, ready to go. And I'll start wrapping around the base. And just smoothing as I go. Sometimes I'll leave it at one wrap because I like the way one wrap looks. It looks really nice and kind of small. If I do a second wrap, it tends to look a little bulkier. As you see, like the base is just a little thicker. So it's really up to you and your discretion what you want to do. I think I'm going to go for one wrap actually today. So I'm going to take the excess and just hold it right near the base of the pony, and then just take one of my pins just to pin it into place. So as you guys can see here, it's just at the base of the pony in the back. And like I said, I love these Pattern bobby pins because they are slightly curved, so it really like contours to the shape of your head. And the grip helps it literally just stay in place all day, and that's it. So what I like to do now, this is just like optional, is I like to just attach the pony to my pony. So what I mean by, as you guys remember in the beginning when I showed you, I flipped the ponytail over and you can see kind of just like the netting and where the ponytail or the hairs kind of are attached. I like to attach that to my bun. So I'm gonna take like an actual hairpin, one of the thin ones, and I'll just basically attach that netted, wefted part to my bun. And like I said, completely optional, but it just makes me feel secure. I know it's not gonna lift up or anything. Not that it would, you know, I'm just saying. What if I bend over or something? Like, I just like security. I love security. And absolutely none of these pins should hurt. There should be no pressure. There should be no pain. If there is, start over and figure it out, because there should be absolutely no tension. You shouldn't feel any pins sticking you, any of that. So I like to just brush it. You can style it however you want to style it. Sometimes I will style it like this. So it's like, you know, sometimes I'll just push it all to the back. Sometimes it kind of just twists and does its own thing pretty much. And yeah, that's it. That's the ponytail. Super easy. So what I like to do too, since you see that base here is also not the right color, you can leave it, that's fine. But I like to just blend it. So just taking the Root touch-up spray and blending that in. Just like that. And so now everything is seamless. Everything looks cohesive. It looks like it makes sense. It's smooth, it's sleek. It was easy to do, as you guys can see, and I love it. I have all the different styles. I need to get more colors, but they're easy to play with. It changes up your look, as you can see. It just looks cute, you know? You're ready to go, put together, done. So yeah, I bought this ponytail, but I also have a coupon code for you guys, so you can get 15% off all ponytails, and I think actually maybe everything on the website. If you use my code Jaleesa15 at insert hair here ponytail.com. So go to the website, get your discount, why not? The ponytails are pretty inexpensive. With the 15% off, it's like, okay, stock up. They last a while. I've had this ponytail probably about 6 months now. I don't wear it every single day, but I do pretty much wear it often because it's an easy throw on. So they last, they look really good, the colors are nice, and yeah. That's it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any more videos, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye!